Have you ever wondered why Bitcoin seems to defy gravity, consistently staying afloat even when the market gets shaky? Recently, Bitcoin soared into the $66,000 range, igniting discussions and curiosity among traders and enthusiasts alike. In a surprising twist, the expected wave of liquidations following this price spike was surprisingly modest. While one might anticipate chaos in the market with such a dramatic increase, the actual liquidation volume was roughly $64 million. This figure, although noteworthy, fell short when compared to previous spikes. About knowing that going on. The Bitcoin was about a $66,000 threshold. The bulk of the liquidations came from short positions totaling around $21,000, $51 million, while long positions accounted for a near $13.7 million. It's a curious scenario where volatility didn't translate into widespread panic. This behavior stands in stark contrast to earlier events this month when Bitcoin hit $56,000 on July 8th. The liquidation volume soared to over $170 million, $100 million of which came from short liquidations alone. Even a rise to $64,000 just a week later led to around $80 million in liquidations. So where did the frenzy go this time? The calmer response during the recent price surge might suggest traders were either more cautious or better prepared for the ride. As Bitcoin approached that $66,000 mark, many may have adjusted their strategies, leading to fewer forced sell-offs despite significant price movements. Traders also seem to be riding a wave of optimism. The weighted funding rate, a key indicator, has been rising, signaling strong demand for long positions. When traders willing to pay more to maintain their positions, it indicates a belief that the price will continue to climb. Furthermore, the open interest in Bitcoin contracts has surged past $36 billion, highlighting an influx of capital into the market. This growing interest could be a significant factor in supporting Bitcoin's upward trajectory. However, just when it seemed Bitcoin was cruising smoothly, the tide turned slightly. As of now, Bitcoin is trading at approximately $66,900, having experienced a dip of less than 5%. This modest retreat came after a session where it had briefly surpassed $67,000, illustrating the market's potential for quick shifts. And yet the overall trend remained robust as indicated by the relative strength index. It seems the rules of gravity don't apply here, and Bitcoin continues to dance its delicate and ballet along the price spectrum. And speaking of Bitcoin's resilience, did you hear about the Bitcoin trader who lost his job? He just couldn't keep up with the market volatility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.